Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you today? So, yesterday, while I was watching some football, I managed to put these things together. And today, I'm going to try to get them stitched. And I think I'm going to keep the width on here. So, I'm going to stitch close to the sides. And I've attached my walking foot. Hopefully I've got it on right. I'll find out in a second. Yeah, it seems like I do. And let's see how this is looking back here. I've got black thread on the back, and it looks like the stitch is, well, except for up here where I started, which I'll cut that out. But this is, I don't see any white, so I think my stitch is even. Also, I did not trim any of the extra in there. I'm just leaving it for the weight so it'll hang. Whoops. That's one side. That looks good. So, flip it over and let's go back. This thing is thick. Speed it up a little bit. Dang. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, talk about the wrong time. This time I can see a little bit of the black on the front. But I'm not too worried about it because it's going to be covered. Okay, let me pause and take you over to the table and I'll tell you what I'm thinking about the binding. So with it being the black on the one side and the white on the other, I was thinking about taking like a 2.5-inch strip of white and a 2.5-inch strip of black and making like a wide binding where it's white on this side and black on this side, because I don't necessarily want a white and I don't necessarily want a black. So I don't know. What do you think about that? Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.